Georgia's new election law is now facing a third legal challenge in federal court, and it hasn't even been on the books for a full week yet.
Caitlin Ross walks us through the latest filing.
The ACLU, NAACP, and Southern Poverty Law Center are all targeting specific provisions in the law that they say could diminish minority voters' voices.
This law is voter suppression, plain and simple.
Today, the civil rights groups filed suit against the state of Georgia and Governor Brian Kemp personally. The move coming on the heels of two other lawsuits filed by the New Georgia Project last week and the Georgia NAACP on Sunday. All allege the new election law discriminates against black voters.
It's an absolutely shameful response to the historic participation by these communities in the last election cycle.
Sophia Lynn Lockett, an attorney for the ACLU, says part of the law making it a crime to hand out food and water to voters waiting in line is cruel. The 90-plus page law contains several provisions, including adding a picture ID requirement to request an absentee ballot, limiting where voting drop boxes can be placed, and increasing state authority over county elections.
Georgia is criminalizing these efforts. This is simply adding insult to injury when you look at the rest of the provisions in this voter suppression law aimed at making it even harder to vote.
We reached out to the governor's office and they didn't answer our specific questions about this lawsuit yet. But in a statement Friday, the governor said the law was aimed at increasing voter access and ensuring security of the elections.
All right, Caitlin Ross reporting. As Caitlin mentioned, we reached out to the governor today to ask about the law and the lawsuits that have been filed, but his office did not answer our direct questions. We are hoping to have a chance to speak to the governor tomorrow.